Hey guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage. Before I tell you what I'm about to do today, hit like, hit share, thumbs up, and you know what it is, right? Sign up, subscribe. Alright guys, today what I'm doing, I'll show you my last video. I was going to work on my S2000. This is the fast driver side, and this bottom end is real good compared to mine. Mine have a hole right here and right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to take this off without breaking it. I'm gonna go through here. Usually they have a zipper. This one doesn't have one. But I see you had a bolt right here. This one stays there. Missing something here. When I pull mine, I can see what it is, but it's missing something there. Oh, somebody cut some. Oh, that's what it is. They cut my seatbelt off. I'll have to use mine. Let me see something. Alright guys, I gotta figure it out. So I'm gonna let you know how I did it. Let me go take out my old seat from the S2000. And I did it to my seat. Took it out. Everything is out. I'm missing a screw. But let me go get the S2000 seat and I'll take it out. Guys. Okay, so I got my seat in here. Level it out. First thing we're gonna do is take this off. Second thing we're gonna do, grab this right here, kind of hard, so you're gonna have to ply it onto it. See how it's going? It's a little clipping here. If you don't do this, you're gonna be there for a while. There we go. It came off. Put it here. I don't want to confuse them. Mine still look better than that one. So I want to clean all this up before I put it back into my car. Now I got this out. Put it here again. Ooh-wee. How dirty this is. So I'm going to take this screw out right here. Do it right here. I'm going to turn around the other side. It's going to be a 12 millimeter. And this side. So at this point, off. Okay. So this is the one that I'm keeping. This is the one that's going out of here. But this seatbelt's too good. My seatbelt's still good. And it's attachable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my 14 millimeter. And I'm going to remove my seatbelt and swap it out to my share. I'm gonna move this one right here real quick. I'm gonna loosen it up so I can basically have enough space for this to move. Boom, there we go. Put it back together. So basically, bottom end, you see how it was the holes in it? And now I'm grabbing that tuck end because I want to go back in here. Put it back together. I'm missing something in here. By the way, guys, this is my first time doing all this stuff like this. I'm always being a person that I go for anything that I set my mind to. You know, it goes well, goes bad, goes bad. This is very easy to do. I didn't know the S2000 is easy. If you can find yourself a set of seats for less than, you pay $200 for these, but for less than $100, get them. They'll usually be worth it. Very worth it to do all this. 14-inch, 12 millimeter. I'm about to put this back. Basically, it's gonna go. Boom. Okay, that's done. Sorry folks, you're having a text over here. So that is done. I'm going to put this back on here. That's done. Putting the seatbelt back on. Boom. So seat is ready to go back on the floor. It's gonna need a major work on because it's already bad. This is the one I'm using. First thing I want to do is real quick, I want to clean all this. Oh, look at that. Shoo. Let me show you final product, and I'm very upset to myself what I did to the car. But let me show you the final product. Now it looks a lot better. No more holes in it. Just like that's supposed to be looking like. And I'm happy with that. But I'm not happy is with this. When I was putting the share back into this right here, and I hit it. For you non-car people, might be like, man, just a little dent. For us car people, they make my car look like that Integra right now. Garbage. But hopefully, a couple months from now, I'm gonna save enough money to send this puppy to get painted. And then re-clear coat. I want to re-clear coat this up, get painted, maybe trade the wheels, get something newer. The car looks amazing right now. Really amazing, right? It's 10 times better than before. I got another steering wheel inside of the house. I ordered the hub for it. This is a 5 start. This is a 6 start, and the other one's a universal. So I'm gonna take this one hanging on the wall, and I'm gonna put the other one that's coming on the car so I can use it every day. Besides that, car looks good. I just gotta clean them up. It's kind of dirty. Well, guys, I'm gonna say goodbye to now. Right now, I want to put that seat back together, and here's the rails from hell, man. Look, somebody cut them and re-welded them on both sides so they can fit on that car right there. See what happened when you cut corners? Jesus Christ. Should you see maybe that you can take it apart or something. Anyway, guys, God bless you. See you guys later. I'm gonna put these back together, put that shit on the floor, and I'll see you another day. Peace.